Head-to-head comparison: the 2023 Mazda CX-5 versus 2023 Mazda CX-9. These two SUVs offer terrific quality and affordable prices. But which one is right for you? Mazda is a brand that often punches above its weight. It's an ironic saying, as the same brand is known for the lightweight Miata, but the rest of the Mazda lineup is defined by upscale and dynamic crossovers that rival SUVs that cost thousands of dollars more. The CX-5 and CX-9 have been two mainstays of the Mazda SUV lineup. The former is a two-row compact SUV and the latter is a three-row midsize SUV. Both offer upscale interiors and spirited driving dynamics. But time is nearly up for both vehicles, as the CX-5 is expected to be replaced by the CX-50 and the CX-9 will be, eventually, replaced by the upcoming CX-90. Until then, these two SUVs offer terrific quality and affordable prices. But which one is right for you? Read on to see how the CX-5 and CX-9 stack up on price, cabin quality, performance, and many other areas. Pay close attention to the individual categories, as the overall winner might not be the perfect SUV that fits your needs. Price: the 2023 Mazda CX-5 starts at $26,700 for the S model. On the higher end of the spectrum, the turbo trim starts at $36,850, and the range-topping turbo signature model starts at $39,650. The most affordable version of the 2023 Mazda CX-9 is the Touring trim. It starts at $38,750. The Grand Touring model starts at $45,640, and the range-topping CX-9 Signature starts at $48,460. Reliability: winner, 2023 Mazda CX-5. The CX-5 earns a reliability score of 82 points out of 100. A score of 81 to 90 is considered great. The CX-9 doesn't yet have a score. Both the CX-5 and CX-9 are backed by 3-year/36,000 mile limited warranties and 5-year/60,000 mile powertrain warranties. Seat comfort: winner, 2023 Mazda CX-9. The Mazda CX-9 has 3 rows and can seat up to 7 passengers. If you select the second row captain's chairs, the seating capacity falls to 6, but you are rewarded with spacious individual second row seats. Even with the second row bench, the CX-9 provides comfortable seating for the first 2 rows of occupants. The third row is smaller than those of its rivals in the midsize SUV segment. The CX-5 provides spacious and supportive front row seats, but the CX-5's second row is tight on space, and it doesn't offer a third row. Both vehicles come standard with cloth upholstery and are available with leather upholstery. Heated seats come standard on the CX-9, whereas they are optional on the CX-5. Cargo space: winner, 2023 Mazda CX-9. The Mazda CX-9 provides up to 71.2 cubic feet of cargo space with the second and third rows folded. With the second row in use, the CX-9 provides 38.2 cubic feet. There are just 14.4 cubic feet of rear cargo space behind the third row. The Touring trim comes with a power liftgate and the Carbon Edition has a hands-free power liftgate. The CX-5 provides up to 59.3 cubic feet of cargo space. With the rear seats in use, the CX-5 has 30.8 cubic feet of cargo space. Starting with the preferred trim, you get a power liftgate. Interior quality: winner, 2023 Mazda CX-5. This is one area where Mazda SUVs and crossovers shine. From the top-notch fit and finish to the premium materials and world-class design, the CX-5 and CX-9 both feature interiors that would sooner be found on premium/luxury vehicles. There are plenty of soft-touch materials, including the dash and the sides of the center console/transmission tunnel area. There is an inherent sturdiness to these interiors, though the CX-5 slightly edges out the CX-9 in this department. Interior features. Winner, tie. The CX-5 and CX-9 both come standard with similar features, including an infotainment system with multiple USB ports, Bluetooth, a Wi-Fi hotspot, HD radio and support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There is a very slight difference in screen size, it's 10.25 inches in the CX-9 and only 10.2 inches in the CX-5. Neither system has a touchscreen. Instead, you control them using a rotary knob and buttons mounted on the center console. The system is fairly easy to use, though it's a bit cumbersome when navigating through Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Acceleration. Winner, 2023 Mazda CX-5. The CX-5's base engine is a 187 horsepower 4-cylinder engine. It makes solid power for getting around town. The CX-5 is also available with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It makes 256 horsepower. Power is routed through a 6-speed automatic transmission. There is one engine offered in the CX-9, a 227 horsepower 2.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. The optional engine in the smaller CX-5 is more powerful and makes for more spirited acceleration. Fuel economy. Winner, 2023 Mazda CX-5. The most efficient version of the Mazda CX-5 is the non-turbo 4-cylinder. It returns 24 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. The CX-5 with the turbocharged engine returns 22 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. The CX-9 returns fuel economy of 20 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. Ride and handling. Winner, 2023 Mazda CX-9. This section comes down to what you are looking for out of your crossover. Both the CX-5 and CX-9 are standouts in their respective segments for dynamic and refined handling abilities. Some may offer more plush rides, but few can rival the enthusiast-oriented handling offered by both vehicles. Whereas the CX-5 goes farther down the performance path with a firmer ride, the CX-9 delivers poised, dynamic handling that is also comfortable and composed. You can't go wrong with either, but the CX-9 seemingly does it all. Towing and hauling. Winner, 2023 Mazda CX-9. The CX-9 can tow up to 3,500 pounds. That figure is below average for the midsize SUV segment, but it bests the CX-5. The CX-5 tops out at just 2,000 pounds. Safety. Winner, tie. Both the CX-5 and CX-9 earned 5-star ratings from National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, and they offer plenty of standard driver assistance features. Both vehicles come standard with forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic high beam headlights, blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert. Both vehicles are available with adaptive headlights, a surround view parking monitor, a head-up display, front and rear parking sensors and traffic sign recognition. The winner is Winner, 2023 Mazda CX-5. If you're wondering if you can get a luxury SUV for non-luxury prices, the CX-5 is the answer you're looking for. In addition to its upscale interior, the CX-5 delivers performance and comfort on par with vehicles that cost tens of thousands of dollars more. It is tight on rear seat space, but it's an ideal commuter that is more exciting than your average crossover. The CX-9 does many of the same things in terms of offering a premium feel for less than models sporting luxury badges. But since it's a 3-row SUV, there is some expectation of ample cargo and passenger room, and the CX-9 is just not quite up to snuff in those regards. If you would rather have a midsize SUV over a compact, the CX-9 is a more engaging alternative, but of the two vehicles, the best option and value is the CX-5. 2023 Mazda CX-5 vs 2023 Mazda CX-9, head-to-head. Price, winner, 2023 Mazda CX-5. Reliability, winner, 2023 Mazda CX-5. Seat comfort, winner, 2023 Mazda CX-9. Cargo space, winner, 2023 Mazda CX-9. Interior quality, winner, 2023 Mazda CX-5. Interior features, winner, tie. Acceleration, winner, 2023 Mazda CX-5. Fuel economy, winner, 2023 Mazda CX-5. Ride and handling, winner, 2023 Mazda CX-9. Towing and hauling, winner, 2023 Mazda CX-9. Safety, winner, tie. Overall winner, 2023 Mazda CX-5.